In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Krita or FireAlpaca to adjust the Blender's final render image level settings. I have created this tutorial because I know a lot of you don't have access to Photoshop. Both Krita and FireAlpaca are free image editing applications that we can use. In the future, unless the tutorial is specified as a Photoshop tutorial, I'll use either Krita or FireAlpaca to enhance the final render images. I'll share the official homepage addresses of both applications, so you can download and install them as well. Basically, I would go to Images and Levels to change the level settings. And that will greatly enhance the quality of the final render we produce in Blender. I'll show you how this gets done in Krita and FireAlpaca. In Krita, go to Filter, Adjust and Levels like this. It works just like how Photoshop's Levels feature works. This is the end of the Krita and FireAlpaca levels editing tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.